Next, let's look into the Gradle sync error and how to fix it. Gradle sync error. There is an error during the sync that could be viewed from the build tape. This is due to the requirement that the minimum Java level is not being met. Currently, I'm compiling with Java 8, but it requires Java 11 due to the Gradle version that is being used for the application. We could always check the Gradle version from File Project Structure Project and view the Gradle version that is being used for the syncing. We could always check the Java version required for the Gradle version chosen from the Android official website. After confirming the Gradle version and plugin version used, go back to Gradle settings and change the JUDK version to JUDK 11. Once this step has been performed, go to Files Insert Project with Gradle files and select it to start the syncing.